பற்றி தெரிஞ்சவங்களுக்கு தெரியும். தானா 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 நீ என்னைக்காவது லைவ் வருவ, 5 நிமிஷம் பார்த்துட்டு அதுவா இதுவான்னுவ. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி எவ்வளோ பண்ணியிருக்கோம் அதெல்லாம் நீ பார்த்தியா? 100K ஆன பிறகு நான் ஒரு குறைஞ்சது 200 பேத்துக்கு ரைட் பண்ணியிருப்பேன், கம்யூனிட்டி போஸ்ட் போட்டிருப்பேன். இப்போ நான் போடுறதே கிடையாது. அதெல்லாம் உனக்கு தெரியுமா? எனக்கு நான் என்னை பற்றி தெரிஞ்சவங்களுக்கு தெரியும். தானா 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 நீ என்னைக்காவது லைவ் வருவ, 5 நிமிஷம் பார்த்துட்டு அதுவா இதுவான்னுவ. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி எவ்வளோ பண்ணியிருக்கோம் அதெல்லாம் நீ பார்த்தியா? 100K ஆன பிறகு நான் ஒரு குறைஞ்சது 200 பேத்துக்கு ரைட் பண்ணியிருப்பேன், கம்யூனிட்டி போஸ்ட் போட்டிருப்பேன். இப்போ நான் போடுறதே கிடையாது. அதெல்லாம் உனக்கு தெரியுமா? Please support the channel Otherwak Gaming. Okay dude, anyone who is live I'm definitely going to support him. They see people below 1000 subscribers for what this thing, they can upload videos, but people before 1000 subscribers and then they are not doing live is they are doing live means they can't do live after December 6th. So I'm focusing on the live stream channel, not on the channel who's going to post content creators. You can have 200 subscribers, still you can post content, but people doing live stream and then they're getting below 1000 subscribers means it's difficult. So we are focusing on the right thing. So we are focusing on the a live stream channel which is having below 1000 subscribers. Why? So I have to cover larger audience, so I have to speak in English. So if you are able to listen, if you are able to get English, I'm damn clear enough, because this is not for me, this is for small YouTubers. We have to join hands and then help them to get 1000 subscribers to stay in the race, because I don't want them to get out of the race, because maybe there will be a good player who's streaming around 3 hours and then he's getting 700-600 subs, and then after December 6th he can't stream, and then he'll be like, okay, everything finished, let's do another thing. So I want them to stay in the YouTube race, and then I want them to focus on YouTube. So I have to help them. This is the right time to help them. So please don't mistake me. I'll do live Tamil 4 to 5 hours in September. Go. Wait. Let's go to YouTube. Okay, I'll share the channel link. I think he's live now. Yes, he's live. Let's go. I'll share the channel link.
Smash the like button.
He's doing live. He's very consistent.
So
copy link.
13 பேர் வந்துட்டு லைக் பண்ணீங்க. 7 பேர் லைக் பண்ணீங்க அப்படினா ஐ மீன் 7 பேர் வந்துட்டு லைக் பண்ணுங்க. சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க டக்குனு
Where is my channel?
Yeah.
Let's go. 671 watching. Okay, I'll share the channel link. I think he's live now. Let's encourage the small streamers. Let's go. I'll share the channel link.
Smash the like button அப்படினா சொல்லணும்.
He's doing live. He's very consistent. Can you please check the link, click the link and then go to the channel and then just subscribe the small streamers.
7 பேர் லைக் பண்ணீங்க.
What?
ஐ மீன் 7 பேர் வந்துட்டு லைக் பண்ணுங்க.
He has to get 1000 subscribers before December, because December 8th. Okay, I'll share the channel link. I think he's live now. Let's encourage the small streamers. Let's go. I'll share the channel, or else you won't get A-Team Gaming. Just press the link, because he has to get subs.
Hi bro.
Because we have to. We have to.
I can't believe this.
We have
so many messages. Oh, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you Madan. Thank you for your love and support. So Madan Rider, yeah, thank you. Oh, Madan bro, thank you for your love and support, guys. Yeah, this 55 watching. I can't believe this, bro. So I can't believe this. Yeah, thank you.
He's happy.
Madan boy, thank you for your love and support. Madan Anna, thank you so much, Madan. Thank you so much.
Please click the channel link and then go on.
85 watches, yeah. I can't believe this.
Go and encourage them.
So thank you for your love and support, guys. Thank you for your love and support. So Madan,
go and support the small streamer, small live stream channel. He was doing live stream for every day 2-3 times. Just give him a small help. Just give him 1,000 subscribers, because he wants to stream as long as possible, because we should not stop others. We have to help others. So please help others. Small live stream channels, because after December 8 they can't stream because they are having below 1,000 subscribers. So please click the link. So please go and do a favor for him, because we have to help them. We have to help him, because at least we can't give money, we can't do anything, but at least we can give some small support to others to stay in their dream. So please, I'm asking, please, to give the support to this guy. I want him to get more subs. I want to get him around 1,000 subs to get into for his he has to stay in the YouTube race, because I told you, no, we have to help everyone, because um, sharing is caring. See, this is not even a big thing. Seriously, it's not even a big thing. Just clicking a small subscribing button is not even a big thing. You are helping other small streamers to stay in their dreams. So please.
I really love you, Madan. Really, Madan. Madan, I'm really loving you. Okay, Madan Rider, thank you. So. Oh, mortal. Is this mortal? Oh, is this mortal? I love you, mortal. Oh, I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Okay, so happy with you, Madan. So happy with you. So thank you for your love and support, Madan. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you for your love and support.
Oh, 359 to now 459. Come on, guys.
I can't believe yesterday you
Need 50.
actually what happened, guys. Yesterday I approached Madan and I told him like this is my channel was very small. Can you help me out to develop it? So this is the day. So Madan promised me like okay, tomorrow I'll come. So he finally did it. Yeah, Madan, love you so much.
Just need 40 more subs to what you will get 500 subs. At least he is stepping inch closer. Let's help him. Thank you so much, guys. I always have a huge trust on you guys. Thank you so much for your support for me, and then you're just encouraging others also. Love you so much. I always say that, love you as always. Seriously, love you as always. You guys are always my support. Everything. Thank you so much for encouraging small streamers. And then I have to thank you so much. Love you. Okay, let's get back into the game. Okay, let's ride on the channel. Let's go. Let's help another streamer. Daddy Gaming. Daddy Gaming. Yes. Let's go to this channel. Okay, I'll share the link. Copy. Okay, copy the video. Copy the link. Then okay, I'll post your. Where's my channel? My channel. Live. Let's go to this channel. Okay, I'll share. Oh, my voice is crystal clear nowadays. Copy. Wow. Wow. Okay, I didn't expect this. Video. Copy the link. Then okay, I'll post your. Can you please click the link and then just subscribe the channel, please? It will be a huge help to this guy. That guy need only 200 subs to reach 1,000 subscribers, and then you will be like you can stream. So please help him to get more subs. 1,000 subs. We need only 1,000 subs. Ta-da-da-da. Love you so much, guys. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Just give him 1,000 subs. Just give him 1,000 subs. That is all I need. I need only he need. Okay, thank you so much. He's 753 now. It's 814. He need only 180 subs. He need only 180 subs to reach 1,000 subs. Please do it, guys. Come on. We have to help. We have to help small live streamers, please. Because after December 8th they can't stream. They have to get 1,000 subs, and then they have to do is please help small streamers. It will be a huge help. Trust me. It's a small thing, but it will be a huge impact to the small streamers. Come on, guys, you can do it. Can do it. We have to do something to small streamers. Come on, dude. Let's help each other. Just a simple one small button, subscribe button will help him. Trust me. He's streaming. See, I'll show. He's streaming every day. Wait, he's streaming every day, every hour. Yes, he's streaming. He's streaming more than what he streamed around 3 days, 4 days, 4 days. Again, two streams, 5 days, 6 days, 1 week. See, he streamed more than 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, 1.5 hours. Is very discipline. Come on, guys. We can help small streamers. Come on, guys, do it. 873. Come on, guys. Only 120. We need only 120. 120 subs we need to get to reach 1,000. We can do it, guys. Seriously, we can do it. At least we can do it. The small things. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. He was around 700. Now he's 873. Come on, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Just click the link and then just subscribe the channel. Just encourage small streamers. He will be in the race, because after December 8th he won't get he can't stream. So 880. Come on, guys. 900. Come on, we need 100 subs only. We need 100 subs. Let's help small streamers. Come on, guys. Thank you so much for your kind gesture, dude. Thank you so much for your kind gesture. Thank you so much. Seriously, you guys are helping everyone. Seriously, you guys are my love nowadays. Like, why? That's why I'm just attracted to live. That's why I invested so much of money, and then just what I was coming into live, or else I won't just spend anything. 1v1 TDM with me, Chinese pro players. GG. Come on, guys. He need only 90 subs. 90 subs to get 1,000. Come on, guys. You can do it. Trust me. Trust me. You can do it. You have the power. You have the power. You are the now game deciders. You have everything now. Come on, guys. Just just 80. Just 80 subs only. Come on, guys. We can do it, guys. Seriously.
Ball offline better.
Just 80 subs only. See, he's doing clutches. He's doing squad gameplay. He's doing good. He's streaming through Omelette Arcade. We have to encourage them. Back to 1K subs. Thank you so much, guys. 930. Come on, 70 subs only. Come on, guys, you can do it, please. Come on, only 70 subs. 70 subs need. You'll be happy when he come to live. You'll see like, oh yeah, I reached 1,000. Thank you so much, everyone, subscriber. You'll be like very happy, and then you'll be like relief. Okay, I can stream year after. I will stream, because after December 8th I can stream. There is no barrier at all. We need to give this small, little, very tiny bit help, but wow, 60 subs only. Come on, guys, give him a sub, give him a treat. Give him a happy treat. Thank you so much, guys. Only 55 subscribers we need to get into 1,000. Come on, guys. I know you can do it. You have the power. Come on, guys, you can do it. Let's do it. He's one of the he texted me a long way before, but he never asked help. I saw only 40 subs he need. Come on! Array, it's like a horror movie for me now. Seriously. It's like, seriously. Madan, you first subscribe. GG. Come on, guys, do it. Check Reticulator YT, Madan. Reticulator YT. I think he's having more than 1,000. How much subs we need? Array, we need only 30 subs. 30 subs we need. We need only 30. One small switch will help. One subscribe button, it will help. Come on, guys, you do it. We can, we can. We can. Seriously. Maybe you maybe have a wonderful gameplay and then he can entertain you. Just give him a chance. Just give him a chance. Madan sir, can you also please rate my channel Swag Chico? Yeah, dude, don't worry, I'll write. Oh, 20 subs only. Come on, please. Reticulator, wait, let me check. Reticulator. Okay. Click the. Which channel? Reticulator, wait. There are a lot of reticulator. Can anyone share reticulator YT channel link to my channel? To my Instagram. Oh, 990. 10 subscribers. 10 subscribers only. 10 subscribers only. Come on. I'll be the 1000 subscriber. I'll click the subscribe button when it comes to 1000. I'll be the 1000 subscriber. I want to do that. This is mine. This is my privilege to get 1000 subscribers. Oh, 986. Come on, guys. Only 30. I want to touch the 1000 one. I want to touch the 1000 one. How much? Come on, guys. You can do it, guys. You can do it. Seriously, you can do it. But leave me. I have to press the 1000 subscriber, please. 1990. Oh no, 999 subscribers only. Let's see. Let's get the party started. Let's see. Oh, 992. No. I have 993. 993. I have to keep the 1000 soon. 993. Array, don't click everyone, please. I want to click the 1000. 994. 996. Oh no, only 999. 998. 998. No. Oh no, fuck. Ah no, I am the 1000th one. Oh yeah, 1K. Yay. I clicked the 1K. No one noticed. I clicked the 1K likes. Thank you. Love you so much. Thank you so much. You made this possible. Now this guy will be happy and then he can stream through all along his life. Thank you so much. We are just helping a small things to everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for everything. Love you all. 1.1K. Okay, let's go. Thank you so much, guys. I'm damn happy. Love you all.